Alright guys, welcome back. So, we got the oil pan on. I lost footage, so you didn't see me putting that on. This is pretty straightforward. You just put the gasket on and zip the bolts on around it, and you're good to go. So, next thing I want to do is I want to put the harmonic balancer on. So, I'll show you how that's done. Alright, so first thing you want to do is zip this bad boy in. Once that's on, you're gonna take your flywheel here, get it lined up. Actually, before you do that, these are greased already because I greased it, but this will just make things go on a little easier. But you want to line your key up like that. Give it a couple of taps. You take this, which slides right over. Oh, I can't see it, but this slides over that piece that I put in. And this goes in and it threads in. You don't want to thread this here super tight. You just want to get it pretty much snug so it's not moving. You're going to get this piece. It's like a driver. It goes on there. Then your nut. Now, if you watch in here, you're going to see it press on. So, I had to move the camera. Sorry, folks. You don't want this shaft to spin because that piece that we pre-screwed in there, you don't want that to thread in anymore. You're going to keep going until it stops. Which, right there. Perfect. It stopped. Now, I'm going to back this out. Look at that. It all comes out. You're good to go. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is put the push rod right here for the fuel pump in. As you'll see, this is brass. This is going to go and ride in this hole. It's going to ride on the camshaft. And before I do that, actually, let me get some assembly lube on this. Alright. Drop that in. Next is the gasket and the plate, which my gasket is already on because I already put it on. When I tore this apart, it came off together. Take these bolts out. It helps if you drop every single one of them. Okay. So, plate's gonna go in here like that. You're gonna see that there's two big bolt holes, two small ones. And then the thing that actually really holds is just these two hold the actual pump on. So you can start securing these with that. If your fingers work. My fingers don't work because literally it's only like 32 out in my garage right now. I've been working, I cleaned up my garage, I got my boat out here, got it all ready. But it's still chilly and my fingers just, they aren't working. So, okay, next thing, wipe this off. Take your pump. And what this does is, how it works is, that rod that we put in, it's on a lobe. So when that lobe spins around on that camshaft, it pushes this, and when this is pushed, it sucks fuel out of here and then pushes it. So while this is pushing, it sucks the fuel out of the gas tank through here, comes up here, and then pushes it up to your carburetor. So and that's kind of quickly how a fuel pump works. So grab. So after screwing with this forever, I finally got it. So, put those in and then put these in. Now, the trick to that is I had to loosen these. These were too tight. So my holes were up top, weren't lining up. So, but now that I got it, I can go ahead and get this all tightened up. I'll have to use a wrench for these upper ones here to get them nice and snug. Well, son of a gun, that's not good. Uh-oh. Today is just not my damn day. Alright, the next thing we need to do is we need to get it from where it is onto the run stand. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. so we get a little bit of a better angle here. I took all my lifters, put them in this container, washed the container first, put my lifters in there, soaked them in oil. They say to soak for 24 hours. These were soaking for a couple weeks. So when I took them out, they went straight into some oil. When you put these, always make sure this link right here is facing the inside wall or towards each other. I can't really explain. Just make sure that this link right here, see it, which holds them together, that is facing this way, like towards the metal. So I'm gonna do a review on these really quick. I got a discount on them because I bought them on eBay, and I said I'd make a video and post it, which I'm doing right now. So I don't have the part number. I'll put that in the description. But these are actually really decent lifters. I didn't pay too much for them. I got them from China. So far, so good. They seem to be extremely good quality, so that's a plus. You can't really complain about that. And it's half the price of, you know, like other roller rockers that are out there. So I probably had my bucket in the way the whole damn time. Yep. I couldn't install these after the heads, but to be honest, I couldn't remember if I had clearance to put them in while the heads were on or not. So I'm just gonna put them in now. Then we'll take care of it later. Alright, that's it for now. I'll be right back with the heads. Well guys, I'm going to be ending the video right there because I needed the, I have a head gasket, but I need to get some more RTV sealant, and I didn't have any, so I could seal up the portholes on for the water jackets. But anyway, I'll probably be doing that tomorrow or some other time, so I don't know. I gotta go. It's pretty chilly, but it warmed up to 38 right now. I think I'm gonna go for a run, take my pup for a run, and once I get back, yeah, I'll see how I feel. But alright guys, thanks a lot. See ya.